Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this picture, and I'm pretty sure it was done with the blend tool. Pretty easy, but I started thinking about it. It doesn't really warrant a video, but if we take, I'm gonna show you both ways to blend. I'm just gonna draw two rectangles holding down the control button. Then I'm gonna select them both, I'm gonna hit P. Then I'm gonna make a copy of that and nudge that one over there. So there's two blend tools. One of them is right here in your toolbox. Underneath your shadow tool is your blend tool. I had it set on 20, and so that's what it did. I personally actually like going to the menu bar and going to effects and blend. And it's set on 20, and then all you have to do is hit apply. It's the same thing. I don't know. It just depends on what you got used to. Now, with that said, to get back to this, I don't know how many blends are in this. Well, I guess we can count them. I'm gonna say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's say 10. And we have, well, we probably need to make it less. Let's go 8. It looks like more than 8. But anyway, then what you could do is click back on it and go right here to your rotation and start going either up or down. And you can see, I guess I'm going the opposite direction. So let's go downhill. And then you just got to think about, you don't want them touching at any point. And I'm already kind of touching there. So that's about as far as you can go. Now, as far as filling these in, and I think what they did is they used the interactive fill tool to kind of get a shadow. So we're going to go ahead and fill it in with black. Get our smart fill tool, fill it in with black, and go every other one in black. That worked out pretty good. So I had the right number. Now at this time I'd go ahead and take away by right-clicking your mouse to take away the outline. Now, there's two ways you could fill in the gray. In this particular case, it wouldn't really matter because you've only got 4 to fill or 5 to fill in. But I find it a lot easier sometimes is to select your item, hold down your shift key and double click on the rectangle tool. Go ahead and move that over and fill that in with a gray. Get away with the outline, put it back over there, go up to object, order, back a page, and you filled all those in. And I think, especially in this case, it might be better to, because the blacks are separated, and now you could group them together, but if you took the gray, and you can say that we have the, well, we don't have the gray. Tell you what, it might be easier to select that gray right there. Get your interactive fill tool, because all those, well, you know, it's trying to grab a line. Let's take away our outline. Nope. Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to move the gray. See, there is a line there. I deleted the gray. Let's move it out of the way. And let's interactive fill tool just the gray and see what happened. We'll go from that side to that side. The original that was dark on this edge and light on that edge, so that's about right. Maybe we'll make it not quite as bright. And then when we nudge it back over, that's pretty close. Now they twisted theirs a little bit more, possibly. And, you know, the ones that we're going to, when we were twisting, let's back up here. When we were doing the twist of this, if you remember, we could go a little bit more and see the middle box is touching, okay? But I'm thinking you can go to Object, break the blend apart, and then take that box and rotate it manually, or not, or do whatever, just take it out of the picture. Then none of the other, well, I think these boxes are touching, but you get the idea. You don't have to go with what's given to you, like right there, nothing's touching. But this one is still touching, so move it. Well, see, the blend is still connected. That's another way to do it. But if you go up to Object, and you're going to have to select the whole thing, go up to Object and break the blend apart. And then you could actually reduce this in size. Still hit P and put it in the center of the page. And then you could rotate a little bit or whatever you want to do. And I'm pretty sure not all these are touching. So if we get the Smart Fill tool and do every other one, it's actually quite a bit more dramatic. Looks pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.